Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by accessing the Gmail account with the target message. Make sure you have permission to inspect it. Once the message is open, click the three-dot menu and choose Show Original to reveal raw headers and source. Copy the entire header block into a text editor so you can scan safely. This prevents accidental navigation or losing the view. From here, you're ready to identify the received lines and other routing details that reveal sender information. Now you'll parse the header lines, read every received entry from top to bottom because the earliest external hop usually shows the sender's connecting IP. Once done, pick the first non-private, non-cloud provider IP, skip 10, 172, 16 172, 31 and 192, 168 ranges and known mail transport IPs. Make sure to note timestamps adjacent to each received line for sequence context. Then paste that IP into a Whois and geolocation service to retrieve ISB, ASIN, and approximate latitude/longitude for the sending, and finish by correlating the IP geolocation with header timestamps and authentication results like SBF, DKIM, and DMARC to confirm plausibility. This helps explain why an IP appears where it does. Make sure to recognize limitations. VPN, corporate relays, or mass mailing platforms can hide origin and produce misleading locations. If you encounter private or missing IPs, or the provider strips headers, ask the sender's mail admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.